Today we shall discuss some typical problems on probability and particular on conditional probability. Now what do you mean by conditional probability? Just we use the symbol probability of say A by B. What do you mean by this? This is the conditional probability, and what do you mean by this? That is probability of happening an event A when B has already happened. What do you mean by probability of A by B? That is probability of happening A when B has already happened. If we write probability of B by A, probability of B by A, what do you mean? Probability of happening B when A has already happened, and these are called the conditional probability. Now we shall use the formula. The probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, B by A, or in another form we can write it as probability of B into probability of A by B. And we know that what you mean by probability of A intersection B, that is the probability of happening both the events A and B simultaneously. So if I want probability of A by B, this implies that probability of A by B will be equal to probability of A intersection B, probability of A intersection B by PB, or you can write probability of B by A. What do you mean by this? This is our probability of A intersection B by probability of A. So this is a definition for the conditional probability. Now we come to a problem. The results of students of a college revealed the following facts. 25% of the students failed in mathematics and 15% of students failed in chemistry. 10% students failed in both, that is in mathematics and chemistry. If a student is selected at random, find the probability that he has failed in mathematics and it is given that he failed in chemistry. That is, what do you mean by this? P of A by B, probability of happening A when B has already happened. So in this problem, if A be the event that a student failed in mathematics, so what is the probability? PA is equal to 25% means 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. And B is the event student failed in chemistry and it is given that is 15%, so 15 by 100, that is 3 by 20. Next we are given that student both failed in 10% of students failed both in chemistry and mathematics, that is their intersection. That is probability of A intersection B. It is given that it is a 10 by 100, that is 1 by 10. Now what do we want? We want the probability that he has failed in mathematics and given that he failed in chemistry. He failed in chemistry. That is, we want probability of A by B, as because the B is the event that he failed in chemistry. Probability of A by B. Now we use the formula probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B. Put these values 1 by 10 by 3 by 20, that is equal to 2 by 3. So what is the probability that he failed? Find the probability that he failed in mathematics. So that is the probability is 2 by 3. Next we come to the second problem. A box contains 5 black balls, 4 white balls and 6 red balls. That is, the box contains 5 black, 4 white and 6 red balls. The box contains, you are given that 5 black balls, 4 white balls and 6 red balls. 2 balls are drawn without a placement. Find the probability the first will be white and the second will be black. So let us consider the 2 events. Let A be the event that the first ball drawn be white. So how many white balls are there? 4. What is the total number of balls? That is 5 plus 4 plus 6. So what is the probability of A? 4 by 5 plus 4 plus 6, that is 4 by 15. Next, let us consider the second event. Let B be the event that second ball drawn is black. We want the probability that the first ball will be white and the second ball will be black. So let B be the event that the second ball is black. So we want then probability of B by A. Why B by A? We know that first ball is white and then you have to find the probability of black ball. So how many black balls are there? 5 black balls are there. So as because it is without replacement, so one ball that first ball, one white ball is taken. So the number of balls there is 14. So what is the probability of B by A? 5 by 14. Now what do you want? We want the probability of A intersection B. Just now I have told that probability of A intersection B we can write as PA into P of B by A. So we multiply these two, that will give 2 by 21. So the required probabilities are 2 by 21. Here in this problem, you are given that find the probability, first will be white. So first you find the probability of white ball and next it is without replacement, that means one ball is taken. So the remaining number of balls is 14. So how many black balls are there? 5 by 14. Now what do you want? That is P of A intersection B. So we know that P intersection B is PA into P of B by A. So the required probability is 2 by 21. Thank you.